it's not the S15. Hey everyone, Jordan here from ThatCarLife, and today we're going for a sick POV drive in the S15. But before we get going, I just want to give you guys a quick update on the garage, because a lot of you guys have been messaging, commenting, asking for an update on this place. So if you guys want to see proper behind the scenes updates, you can follow my Instagram. I'll put it right here. This is where I post a lot of the behind the scenes stuff for ThatCarLife with the brand, and also stuff like this a bit more in detail. But yeah, just to give you guys a quick update, obviously we have the S15 in here. So I did mention when I did the video when we moved into this place that we're going to be putting a hoist in here, and now the hoist has arrived. So we put this in maybe a week or two ago. It's not currently installed. We still have to bolt it in, so it's kind of in pieces at the moment. Like everything's on the floor, it's not actually bolted in. Yeah, we're going to get the boys over and spend a bit of time actually installing the hoist, but we've already started decorating it. You know, we've got a ThatCarLife sticker, which you guys can get on the website right now. We've also got a, you know, Choky Banky Spec sticker as well, so shout out to RXH over in Melbourne. I'll take you guys to the back as well. You can also probably see the shirt as well. This is a ThatCarLife 15 OOF t-shirt, which is available on the site as well. And also, if you want your own car on a t-shirt or hoodie, we can do that too. You literally just upload a photo of your own car, we get an artist to draw it, and we put it on a shirt or hoodie. It's absolutely sick. A lot of you guys have already bought some and absolutely love it. So yeah, I love just getting messages and photos of all your cars on your custom apparel from ThatCarLife. It's absolutely sick. If you guys want to cop some for yourself, links down below. All right, so now that I finished that shameless plug, it's a bit of a mess back here. Like we've got all this stuff for the hoist down here, which we still got to assemble and put together. I've set up an extra shelf, as you guys can see. We've got tools and car parts and all that stuff. So yeah, it's a bit of a mess right now. But yeah, obviously once we start putting the hoist and everything together, we can start clearing through some of this mess and, you know, making it actually look a bit more presentable. Yeah, I do have a desk and chair space here as well, which when we moved in, I did say that I wanted my own little kind of mini desk space, which I can bring my laptop to and work on stuff. So yeah, that's all set up. It's a bit messy at the moment, but it's set up. And big shout out to ThatCarLife support who's helped me, you know, obviously putting this together, the shelves, all this stuff. So yeah, it's looking pretty good. So obviously it's not there yet, but it's getting there. But anyway, that's the update over. What we'll do now, we'll get in the S15, go for a drive, and we'll start the POV. Wow, that's one way to do an intro before we start the POV. Currently mic'd up, I've got my S15 right here. This POV will be a bit different. Normally I don't really have a mic on during the POV, so hopefully we should have more crisp audio in this one. I've also got a second GoPro set up there, so we can get a few different angles in this video. Here we've got Josh's Subaru Liberty. This thing's turbo. It's been freshly built recently as well. Yeah, we'll see how this thing goes. Over here, we've got Ryan's WRX, who's just filling up here at the moment. Got a nice exhaust, wheels, lip kit. Sounds really good. Here's the man himself filling up. Ryan JDM.
Gotta get exactly $50.
$50. Is it possible?
Can we do it?
Oh, bro. Oh, shit. One more. Go. Tap it. Tap it. Hey, $50 on the dot. There you go.
You want to do it?
Yeah. And last but not least, we have Angelo's beautiful R34 JDR, which you guys have seen on the channel quite a bit. Yeah, this thing's freshly imported from Japan. Really nice color, really nice wheels, obviously. Nice Nismo and Z-Tune additions to it. Interior is very clean, as you can see. Jen's just judging me over there. This thing's very nice. It looks very, very clean. Sounds amazing, feels amazing. It's basically like a brand new car. And Angelo, you keen for the drive, man?
Yeah.
You keen? Yeah. I like your shirt. It's got a ThatCarLife shirt as well.
That's it,
That's available on the website as well. It's actually the model for that shirt as well.
And I was saying I could only get $50. I had $60 in my account, so it's awesome.
I don't know, so.
Damn.
Alright, we ready?
Yeah, let's do it. All right, so we're getting ready to go. Josh, how much power is your Liberty? 210, hectic. Yeah, that Liberty is 210 kilowatts, so that'll definitely chop my car, I reckon. So yeah, a lot of you guys may not know the S15 actually isn't tuned, so I've got no idea how much power the S15 actually makes, to be honest. So yeah, it has kept up with cars that are around the 200 kilowatt mark, so I don't know, I'm just assuming it's around there, but yeah, I don't really know for sure, to be honest with you. Yeah, this thing loves to backfire and pop on diesel, which is, it always sounds good. It's always good fun. This car just makes all the right noises. Such a good dose.
Oh my god.
That was a big flame. When the car does a really big flame, guys, you just feel the whole car vibrate. It's actually sick. Oh, hello. Guys, it's so addicting just to go. So addicting. We're about to jump on the infamous Grand Parade in Brighton, Les Sands. So pretty much on a good day, on a good weekend, if you cruise down Grand Parade and Brighton, you're always going to see good cars cruising here. Yeah, this is like a really nice driving road here. Hey, it's not the S15. No way. Just randomly bumped into a mad S15. That's hectic. That's sick, bro. That's nice. I can smell E85. I think that S15 was on E85, the yellow one. Alright, so we just stopped for like a little drink break, but now we're back on Grand Parade, ready to keep cruising. The sun is out. Did it?
Oh my god.
Oh, that's what happens when you make the wrong turn. What's the retail on one of those, bro?
More than you can afford now.
How much is that?
More than you can afford.
Is that a house on wheels, man?
It's a fucking deposit.
Can't go wrong with an RB. Bro, that thing flies, eh? It's so quick for a stock car, man. It actually just flies. Not bad. That's sick. Wow, is this 15? That was Paul. That guy was snapped next to Angelo's car.
Those kids were filming, they're like, yeah, rev it.
So we just got back from that drive, and yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed. I know the POV driving videos are a lot of you guys' favorite videos that I do on the channel. So yeah, I was going through this drive today, so I thought I'd slap the GoPro on and yeah, do a bit of a POV drive. I know it wasn't the longest drive, but yeah, still hope you guys enjoyed it anyway. It was a whole lot of fun. Anytime we take the S15 out, this thing is just nothing but smiles to me and to other people on the road too. As you guys could see, we got a few reactions in this thing today. So yeah, this car is just an absolute blast and just makes all the right noises, and it just sounds and feels amazing. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. But I'll leave the video there, guys. I really hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more. And I'll see you guys next time on That Car Life.